Hey guys, Gallagur here, and if you want to see how I went from this tiny, old, 800 square foot house to buying this 3,500 square foot custom built home in less than 2 years of growing on YouTube and learning how to monetize my channel multiple ways and earning automated income just like this. Click the link below in the description to a video series I put together where you can just watch over my shoulder and copy me. And if you do come over here to the course page, you can scroll down and see where other YouTubers are doing just that, and they're sharing their results right here.
Okay, so let's see what 4 million views translates into AdSense revenue. And even though it ends up being thousands of dollars, you'll be able to see why I chose to monetize my channels in other ways so that I can earn multiple times this. So let's go ahead and check it out. We're just gonna go into achievements through vidIQ's tab, and you can see right here, I hit 4 million views on December 11th. So over 4 million views currently on my Gallagur channel here alone. So let's see what that translates to in terms of AdSense revenue. And I already have the analytics page uploaded, so we can get on with this, but you can see this is live. My biggest day was $63.77.
Nice.
And you can see where I started right here about a year and a half ago, June 18th, and for a total $12,361.06. And it does fluctuate, but this gives you an idea of what you can expect. If you become a YouTube partner and you think you're gonna make a ton of money on AdSense, it's gonna take a ton of views on AdSense. And YouTube is becoming more and more difficult because it is the fastest growing platform on the internet in terms of users. So every day more and more users are coming to YouTube. More and more people are uploading content on this platform. I think the last statistic was 300 hours worth of content is uploaded every minute to YouTube. So don't put it off. If you're thinking about joining YouTube, becoming a partner, and growing a channel, the longer you wait, the harder it's gonna become. And ultimately, I highly recommend that you find other ways of monetizing your channel so you can earn way more than you can just with AdSense revenue. So I hope this video was helpful, at least for people that are interested in how much the views translate into income. There you have it. With that, I'm gonna wrap this video up, and I will see you in the next.